Everyone, this is Kibo Vlog. Si Pilipino actor Luis here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ang reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? Actually, hindi siya compilation mga mami eh. It's ano siya, it's what do you call this? It's how do I say this? Hindi siya compilation, kundi BTS siya ng Vitamilk. At hindi natin matapos-tapos in one video. Kasi nga, dapat marami talaga yung gagawa ng reaction video. Kasi akala ko, pwede siyang isahan ng talaga pag gumawa ng reaction video. Pero dito, for today's video, hindi siya pwedeng isahan, mami. Hindi siya pwedeng isahan sa dami ba naman natin ng, what do you call this? Sa dami natin ng how do I say this? Sa daming scene, sa daming titigan, sa daming behind the scene. Kailangan natin talaga itong isa-isahin for today's video. So, I won't take any longer. Atake tayo dito. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Sige nga, dito tayo nag-stop eh.
Safety lang.
Dito talaga tayo nag-stop.
Tama. Mas maganda yung pagdami niya dito. And then, I think best yung pangatlo dito. Yung pangatlo lang. Sige, please.
Ano na naman yung pangatlo, direct?
Okay, so we are in the running era scene.
May running era, sana all.
David and Barbie will outrun or try to outrun each other. Pero syempre, cheeky friend.
Hindi yan. May titigan pa sila sa sofa. Yung ba yun? Yung ba yun? Yung titigan nila sa sofa?
And then, I think best yung pangatlo dito. Yung pangatlo lang. Sige, please.
Nasa BTS talaga ang tunay na kilig. Ay, hindi yan. Isa pa.
So we are
ito na.
in the running era
Ito na talaga siya.
Wherein David and Barbie will outrun or try to outrun each other. Pero syempre,
hindi man natuloy ang kanilang laging era for today's video. Pero dear, natuloy din sa wakas dito sa Vitamilk. Ang Vitamilk lang pala ang hinihintay natin. Si Vitamilk lang pala ang hinihintay natin for today's video. Ang dami pa nating kiyache-boreche na hindi nag-e-effort si Ginoo, hindi gumagana, hindi pa kausi ko talaga. Alam mo yung tipong hindi ako mapakali. Diba? Alam mo yung nag-vlog ka, pero kung may nakikita ka talaga mga dumi-dumi, kailangan mo talaga, ganyan ako, ewan ko, ganyan din ba kayo? Kausi talaga ako eh, anyways.
Friendly manner lang. We're shooting everything
Friendly manner.
Because I have this idea na maybe yung background nila will move like the Flash when, the Flash runs, diba? Like,
okay.
Speed. Para to really push and communicate yung energy and speed nila together. And then we'll just compose the live talents which are
live talents. Ito na si David. Uy, susasing Ginoo natin. O, kala mo naman tayo sa
set. Para
ang yabang ng Ginoo natin. Ang yabang ni David. Ay, hello. Nakailan siya?
So, yun.
Nakailan siya?
Everything's
David.
And currently, we're
ganda yan, David.
And our cinematographer, Riel. I know na you guys came from mga puyat pa shows, pero
bakit puyat?
Very much effective right away. Kamusta naman so far yung araw natin?
Okay naman.
Ito na yung sinasabi ko. David never disappoints. Ito yung sinasabi ko palagi eh. Kung nakikita ninyo. The way, kapon tinakil din natin to eh. The way David look at Barbie for Tessa talaga. Pag nagsasalita si Barbie, hindi talaga pwedeng hindi talaga maging focus. Hindi tingnan mo yan, focus na focus, oh. Diba? Nakaplay yan, ha? Hindi lang natin to pinos, ha? Pero ang tagal ng focus siya kay Barbie. Nakatingin talaga siya sa bibig ni Barbie. Yan talaga yung hindi ko talaga mawari for today's video. Kay Barbie talaga siya nakatingin na bibig. Diba? Minsan sa mata. Diba? I don't know kung anong gustong ipahiwatig talaga dito ni Ginoo. Ayoko na lang din talaga maging malisyosa for today's video. Pero wag ninyo sasabihin na dilulo ako. Nakikita natin yan sa video, mga mami. Nakikita yan sa video, mga mami. Kung ano ang nakikita, kung ano din nakikita nyo. Alam naman, iba yan.
Sobrang helpful na very lively kayong lahat. Tapos si Direk Jules and
kayo. Naman si David.
So, nakaka-boost din ng energy na saktong-sakto kasi kailangan namin ng maraming energy kasi running pala kami ngayon. Mga runners pala kami today.
Ay, atake. Ganun ba?
Yeah,
ay, ikaw. Tinawag si Barbie. Parang, pagkakatanong niya talaga kay David, ikaw.
At saka kita ko na...
Tinawag si Barbie. Wala talagang pinagbago. Pag nagsasalita si David and Barbie, ganun talaga sila. Yung tono ng pananalita ni Barbie, narinig niyo yun?
Runners pala kami today.
Tinawa na.
Ikaw.
Parang binibibi niya talaga,
Kayo, like, each other, sir. So it's really nice to be in this environment.
Wala talaga
Yun
pinagbago.
lang. So, I don't wanna keep them so long kasi next scene na tayo. So,
Ay, ano
salamat.
yung
See
next
you
scene?
again later.
Ano yung next scene for today's video? Wait,
I don't wanna keep
gusto
them
ko
so long
makita
kasi
ang
next
next
scene na
scene.
tayo. So, salamat. See you again later.
Sana all. Sana all talaga. Yes! Sana all, Barbie and David. Ang puti ng kilikili ni Barbie. Nakakaloka.
Yeah.
Sana all.
Rounds. Parang okay. Parang show off na. Apat na ikot na ako. Sige.
Ano na naman to, direct?
You
Patingin.
feel na you own this space. Parang akong pinakamabilis, pinakamalakas na stamina. Tapos mamaya magulat ka, si Barbie, naunahan pa ako. So medyo ganun, di ba? So parang, running for rounds.
Bilis akong konti.
Yeah, okay naman yung delivery, okay din yung shot. Sige, let's consult agency what they think para sabay-sabay tayo mag-build.
Okay.
Little did you know na ikaw, enter frame, running away. Medyo parang taunting na parang you're trying to one-up him Na parang mas wala pa. Pero yun yung feeling na parang kala mo ikaw lang I'm stronger runner than you. Tapos parang na-one-up mo siya dito. Effective, I guess, the material because Jules was able to make sure that the intent of the board is very much communicated.
Yan naman si Jules. Ang daming tuhan.
Galing against Jules.
Magaling talaga
Ang dami to. Wait lang, i-forward natin.
Stamp on the bottle are properly aligned. So very much into small details.
Ito na. Dito tayo.
Came up with this idea.
Actually, nung nalaman namin na
Siya pala.
and David yung talent namin for this, na-excite kami. And alam namin na yun yung parang life.
Siksikan talaga sila. Sana all nagsisiksikan. Diba?
Yung idea. So, doon kami nag-build and kaya kami nag-end up with Barda Gulan. Kasi that's Barbie and David.
Barda Gulan.
Dynamic nila. They're like Marvin and Jolina na nag-aasaran pero nandun yung kilig nilang dalawa.
Correct. Lastly. So, kamusta naman ang first day of our shoot? How are you? Are you happy? Are you fulfilled? What can we improve on?
Actually, I'm very happy kasi
Sana all masaya.
diba, flat board lang siya and ngayon nangyayari na siya. So, yeah, I'm very happy. And so far, satisfied direct sa mga take natin.
Great.
Yes.
Thank you. Bush interview, Miss Tatas, kamusta ang araw natin?
Ang galing nyo, Direk. Super.
Hindi mo sinasabi yan dahil may camera, ha?
Hindi. May camera ba?
Yeah.
Salamat,
Thank
Direk.
you. That's it for
Ang
day
galing.
one.
Yes.
May day two pa tayo.
Tomorrow, see you again.
Okay. Sige, we're here with Miss
Oh, may
Barbie.
day two pa.
We're done with all her scenes for day one. So, kamusta? Kamusta ka?
Ang
Yan.
saya, ang light ng set, ang efficient, tsaka very straight to the point yung instructions, kaya madaling sumunod.
Very talaga, professional.
We still have our second day
Pagsalita
tomorrow.
ni Barbie, very professional talaga siya.
Are you ready? Are you excited? What are you feeling?
I am excited kasi ngayon alam ko na yung
Yung
working
pa,
environment
Barb.
natin. So I can't wait na makapag-shoot na ulit tomorrow.
Let's do this. Sige. Thank you. Sir David, we're done with the
Ano naman, David?
ganda na shots natin. You did all
Ano na naman yung
the
atake mo dyan, David?
requirements
Kala mo
very,
naman
very
talaga
well.
bagay sa iyo.
All because of you. At
Zero, ano na naman yan, David? Akala mo naman talaga.
Very respectful, very galing mag-motivate. Kaya kami naman ni Barbie,
Barbie.
kaya gumagaling din kami, gaya ng sinabi nyo, direct, dahil din sa inyo, diba? So, yeah, I mean, really happy. It's nice to be back working with Barbie and with Vitamilk, of course.
We still have our second day. So, how do you plan to prepare mentally? Because, today is very much tiring, di ba? Nakapagod yung araw natin. So, tomorrow meron pa tayong mga 2 more stories to tell. So, how do you prepare for that?
Well, I'll just do my normal morning routine every day. As long as I stick to my system, as long as I work out, meditate, and all that stuff, I'll be okay with whatever I am doing, whether it's TVC shoot or teleserie shoot. So I never really change anything.
Sige. So, I guess we'll see you tomorrow again. Same energy, same powerful David. Maraming salamat, brother.
Maraming salamat, direct.
Thank you, brother.
Yun na yun. Ang bilis naman. Ang bilis naman. Ay,
Para
sana all. Ibang atake naman to. Ay, si Barbie, si Davy. May pakain. May pakain naman pala. Ay, tapos na.
Ang galing. We're
Nabitin
on time.
ako.
Very excited
Wala
about
bang part
tomorrow.
2?
Day number 2 tomorrow. Ayun, we still have
Kailangan
half
natin.
the board to shoot the next day. So, watch out for the next episode.
Ano pa bang part 2, Sir Parlo? Anyways, there you go guys. That is all for today's video from Barda. So yeah, this is Kijiva Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!